Also, we discussed about the important concept, the evaluation context. What is row context and filter context? And as part of this, we explained what is initial filter context. First of all, what is filter context? We discussed with examples. Next, we started discussing about the filter functions. What is calculate function? We started with calculate function. Also, we explored the filter function. The calculate function is helpful in terms of adding a filter to your existing report. Okay, and at the same time, with the help of the calculate function, you can override the existing filter context. Okay, hence the calculate function is so robust, though it appears very simple. It is so robust. Okay, it can modify the filter context. It can, if the filter context does not exist, you can add a new filter. If the filter context already existing, it will override the existing filter context using the calculate function. Since there is a huge gap, right, because of break all the things, I will just quickly write a calculate function. Hope you remember all the things, right? The what is calculate function? What in what order the filter get applied? All the things we explain. Only when you understand the order of applying the filter, which filter get applied first, which filter will get applied next. Okay, you will be able to optimize the performance. See, you can use quick measure. Quick measure is it's kind of a it's a very simple thing to use, but it is not much helpful when it comes to performance tuning. End of the day, performance is very crucial. If you work in Power BI or Tableau or you work in any project, performance is very much important. For example, you install Zepto app in your mobile phone and you have installed Blinkit app, right? So you want to order something urgently, but if you launch an app, if it takes longer time, what will happen? So you don't like it, right? So as soon as you tap the app, it should get launched instantly, at least within the reasonable amount of within the reasonable amount of time. Okay, if it takes more time, similarly when it comes to report and other things, if the visuals get populated quickly, it will be good, right? If you use the custom sorry, if you use the quick measures, we have a quick measure. You don't have to write the DAX script there, so it can, using which you can simply drag and drop the columns which you want, but you cannot customize it. Customize is a little bit difficult. And again, performance tuning, it doesn't takes care of the performance tuning, all the things. Okay. And hence, we need to, better you can use the custom way of creating this. But one way it is helpful for reference purpose, right? So for example, you tried different approaches to solve a specific reporting requirement, but you are not able to derive the um, logic, right, within the specific amount of time. In that case, you can go for quick measure. So it's kind of a ready reckoner, right? So it gives you some DAX related functions. Just play around with it. But that doesn't mean something which is quick. Uh, uh, right? It is always quick. Okay, it is not always quick. Yeah, you need to revisit the DAX functions or formulas created by the quick measure. You need to fine tune it. Okay, so that's why I explained in what order the query gets executed, everything. Okay, and you have Chat GPT, right? So why you need to use quick measure, right? So now we have Chat GPT. You ask any questions, but if you are a smart guy, so I would suggest you guys use Chat GPT all the time. Okay. And so even if I have any simple questions, right? Even if any medical conditions, light headache or some other simple problem also, I ask Chat GPT. It gives a lot of beautiful thing. Okay. So quick measure, more than quick measure, this Chat GPT is there, right? Chat GPT, if you ask any questions, right? But remember one thing, guys, when you use Chat GPT, don't expect Chat GPT give you the accurate formula, the correct formula all the time. There are some cases, even the Chat GPT messes up. Okay. So what you need to do is, double check, right? So, ask the same question more than one time, copy paste and ask more than one time. So compare the output produced by them and then check the option, which one is better. Okay. Sometimes it makes mistake, like human make mistake. Otherwise, it's really a fantastic tool. Okay. Okay. Next one is today what we'll do is we'll continue with the calculate and we will see how it works.